Welcome everybody to Gardening at Jot's Shop. Today I want to take y'all on a tour of our garden here in Colorado. I'd like to go over what the different plants are, the perennials, and what some of the vegetables are. You will first see our garden as a before and after scene. For those of you that saw our previous video on our garden cleanup, these photos will be familiar. In this first tub, you will see that we have a red grape cherry tomato and also a husky cherry red tomato. Both of them are new tomatoes to us. Our second blue tub has a mortgage lifter tomato and an early girl tomato. This first perennial is a cream daylily. Back to the left of it, between the tubs, you will see a black-eyed Susan and a raspberry ice coral bell. This is a yellow yarrow plant. Say hello to our spur gnome. Hi, Mr. Spur. And this is a cutie pie rose. Here we have another black-eyed Susan that came up all by itself. This is a beautiful maroon phlox. And here is our big pink peony. This grouping consists of a black-eyed Susan, a pink Miss Pincushion, a phlox, and a aster. Mr. Pig is guarding our beautiful red phlox. To the left here is a pink clematis and, of course, Bunny. This cobalt gay feather is a new addition to our garden. Here we have our Sweet Summer Cove clematis. They are small little flowers and they take over this whole cage. There will be a link below to show you how to build these never-failed cages. We have another black-eyed Susan plant. But let's not forget our pink fairy baby's breath. This is the red fall aster, along with the beautiful white flame phlox. Here we have a couple different types of Shasta daisies. In this blue tub, you will see a tomato that is a cherry tomato, but I do not know its name. There are 3 Slice Master cucumbers in here, and also 1 California Wonder sweet bell pepper. And guess what these are? Yes, black-eyed Susans. This plant is a maroon red peony being guarded by our A&M gnome. As we come around our tree that a very dear friend made for Zane, our cat, we will come down to some more of our daylilies. Here we have our Stutter's Ball daylily and 3 Stella d'Oreo daylilies. Here we already have a bud coming out of one of our Stellas. Up here is our beautiful David White phlox. Right here is a paprika yarrow and another small one behind the pot. This green tub has our black cherry tomato, which is a new tomato to us this year, and the Italian sweet Rolano mild pepper. This beautiful plant is our bachelor button. It takes a lot of water and doesn't really like being out in the sun all day, and guess what? It's in the sun all day. Here is our potato bin that we built ourselves, and there is a link below to show you how to build one. On this trellis, we have our Hagley pink clematis. It's a beautiful pink flower. This is an aster plant that's a lavender, and next to it is a Veronica white spellwell with beautiful white flowers. And buried in this little corner is our lime sublime rose. On the right here is a little experiment. We're trying some vegetables in the ground. Behind it you will find a twist and shout hydrangea, and up front here is another hydrangea that we do not believe will be coming out this year. This rose is called a music box. This is a daylily that I do not know its name. Now we have a red phlox here on the right. Behind it is a lavender aster. And to the left is another daylily that I do not know its name of. However, there is a special treat inside it for our cat Zane, Johnson grass. This daylily is called So Lovely. And this rose bush is a Oh So Easy double red. And here in the ground are some bean plants and also some carrots. And here is our last rose, Double Delight, one of my most favorite roses, and it smells beautiful. Here we planted some white onion sets and also parade bunching onions. These beans are the Burpee stringless beans. Here is our sweet salad mix. And here are our sweet and short carrots. Zane is saying thank you for joining us on this garden tour. We hope to see you back soon. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you like this, please push that like button. It helps our channel grow. Bye-bye.